Hi, my name is Amy with WTI. These Nuun Electrolyte Hydration Tablets are so awesome. I wanted to go over a few things that I really love about these. The flavors are great. They have strawberry lemonade, grape, tri-berry, fruit punch, lemon lime, and tropical. I picked fruit punch, so I'll show you what the tablet looks like. And it's a pretty good size, but it's small enough to where it fits into my glass water bottle. And I'll show you how easy it is to put in. And it does take a couple minutes for it to fully dissolve, but a way to speed it up is to cut the tablet into quarters, and then it dissolves in no time. But it really has a great taste to it. So if you really want to get the most out of your water and have a great flavor, to really feel that difference of being hydrated very quickly, this is something you want to try. I think you're really going to love this and want to have it all the time, all year round, but that's just my point of view.